Hey guys, we're back with the polished brass Ornate original for two reasons. One is that I did fix the low speed as you saw in previous videos, and the other reason is that Andy wanted to get a video of it because it's cool. So we got it here. Right now we got the light on, and I really do like the glass in this light. I think I've said that before. I was going to put this fan in the museum just like it is until I found the Ornate original that had all the extra bits. But this is cool too with the Robinson Myers light kit and the kind of Art Deco-y glass. So
This one has the Reversair too.
it does. So let's light off, low, 1.32. As it gets up to speed, down to 1.29, so it draws a little bit less than the one with the aftermarket blades and blade brackets. High. Started up pretty high, but it's dropping. It draws less on high too. We already did the airflow test on this. We know that it kicks ass. So I had commented in the last video, I think this is a very late 2-speed. Has a black rotor and the newer style grommet. Except the newer style label, actually, so I guess that would make it a very late. Two-speed. I guess I didn't even really notice that they had that label. I didn't know there were 2 speeds with that label. You would know more about that than I would. I'm going to try to prop the camera so I can reverse the blades. Let's see how well this will go. Already dropping things, if that's an indication. Reverse. Still 1.29, even though the pitch is a little bit steeper in reverse, or at least it usually is. I didn't measure on this fan, but it certainly does look that way to my eye. Oh, 1.28. It's actually drawing less in reverse. 100th of an amp less, but even so. But drawing more in high, it's 2.56. Forward, it was like 2.53, 2.52. So that's interesting. Okay. I already went through the. Oh, we can do it. We can do it again. Decade capacitor and such. I didn't do it with low though, so that'll be nice to be able to figure out where we can get a good low speed with this one. Did I ever tell you, Andy, that when I was a kid, we stopped at a Burger King near Oshkosh that had a whole bunch of Reversairs installed, and like on each fan, they had some blades going forward, some blades going reversed.
No, you didn't tell me that, but I was thinking actually as I was putting the blades on this, how one of them would react if you tried that.
I did that in a video. It went much slower and drew more current and did little. Might have been this fan actually. I don't remember.
That's to be expected. So.
Unless you have an objection, I'm going to leave them reversed for now. I like it better reversed.
Okay.
Okay, so just using this is high speed, right? Did I touch the... I don't think I adjusted the thing. Microfarad? 13. Did I turn it to low? Is this low? I'm surprised that it's starting. It's high. I'm going to try to make sure that... No, that's high, alright. And this is starting, surprisingly, with a 13 microfarad on high. Don't see that too often.
No.
That's usually what you need to get a good to wired in series low to get a low. It's drawing 0.71. $14, $15 is 0.87. $30 is 2.4. And 33 is too much. 32 is also too much. 31 is fine though. Okay. Low. Okay, so this should be low. It starts with a 7. .44. I don't think we've been able to get an original to start this slow before. Not a shaded pull one anyway, so that's pretty cool. How much does it draw? Oh, 1.29 in low. 8, 9, 10 is 0.72. Is 1.18. Well, 16 is too high. So can't go higher than 15. Off, high, on. Reminds me of those the hanging balls thing, the Newton's cradle. Did you have one of those when you were a kid? I asked for one every year for my birthday, and then within a few days of my birthday, my younger brother would tangle it irrevocably. Like, it would be,
Yeah.
you know, it wouldn't last a couple days. And so I have to wait for my birthday the next year and ask for one again, and again a few days later, my brother would tangle it. That went on for at least a couple birthdays.
Maybe you should have started hiding them from your brother.
I don't know that I had any hiding places that I could access that he couldn't. I got one for Abby a few years ago, but I don't remember her being too fascinated by it.
Shame.
Okay, we have a dim light, but no movement. There we go. A lot of the restaurants that I've pulled originals out of, they just had the fan and lights together on some big high wattage dimmer, not even a fan control, just a dimmer. And that allowed them to get the, you know, the classic restaurant look of dim lights and slow moving fans. 0.8. Sort of gradually increasing. We're up to 1.7. That's high. 3.3 amps. So compare that to whatever Energy Star rated thing that you can get nowadays. It's not worth a crap. Which one do you like better, Andy? This one or the other Ornate one?
I have to say this one. Well, I do like the wingtip on the other one.
Yeah. I could see this installed in like my dining room or something. I don't really see a place for the other one installed. On the other hand, the other one is more unique.
Right. Yeah,
Can something be more unique? Isn't unique binary?
More unusual, perhaps.
Yeah.
You could say. Yeah, even though it has the full Ornate kit.
Yeah. Still thinking that the one with the full Ornate kit is more appropriate for the museum, but that's too bad about this one because I'd really like to see this one hanging somewhere too.